Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a exciting video for you that I actually have already recorded, but when I went to edit the video, there was no audio. So I'm back at it again, so this will not be my first attempt at the wet look. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be doing the wet look, if Lavender allows me to. Let's show them you. Let's show them my gal. Oh, look gal, look, it's you. Oh, it's you. Oh, it's too bright. The lights are too bright. Oh, it's okay. Today we're gonna be doing this look with only one product, and that is going to be Eco Style Gel, and this is the cannabis oil, black castor oil, olive oil gel that they came out with maybe, I don't know, a few months back. But anyways, I do like this gel. I did the last wet look with the Wet Line Extreme, but I only have a little bit left, which is my favorite gel, by the way. So hopefully this Eco Style comes through, because this was bomb. Last time I did the wet look, oh my god, and it looked wet and everything. It wasn't crunchy, it was bomb. Oh, I love this gel. I'm also going to be using a DENMAN brush to slick it down, a comb to slick it down, and some clips as well. And I need a handy dandy water bottle because I will be needing to re-wet my hair for this look. So I've already shampooed and conditioned my hair. My hair is wet underneath here, and I have my AQUIS hair turban as usual because I live and die by the AQUIS hair turban. So we're gonna have to keep our hair as wet as possible for this look. I know that I just preached in my last video that you cannot and should not keep your hair wet for a long period of time, but for this specific look, it won't hurt nobody to do that. I'm gonna take my hair down. I have a plastic cap to retain that moisture. So I learned a few things from the last time that I did the wet look, and let me tell y'all, the first thing I learned was not to slick it down from the very back first. Alright, so we're gonna start from the very back. I'm gonna wet my hair really well. I've learned a few things from the last time I did the wet look, and you can go to my Instagram page to look at how it came out. That was my first attempt. You know what, I am gonna use a leave-in just to kind of like moisturize my hair. So let me choose my leave-in of choice. I think I'm gonna use the BAYOU Splash leave-in by CREOLE Organics. I'm gonna use that one. A spray leave-in just so that it won't coagulate and cause product buildup. Okay, I'm going to comb that through with my DENMAN brush, because you want to make sure that this your hair is very well detangled, and I'm going to make sure that it's all combed through and smooth. And then I'm going to apply this Eco Style. I knew she wasn't going to let me record this video, y'all. We're going to get through this, Lav. We will get through this. So I'm going to apply a very generous amount to my hair, just all over from roots to ends. Very generous. You don't want to be shy with the product because you want your hair to look as slick back as possible. I'm going to kind of shingle it because I still want my curls to be defined in the back. All shingled up. That didn't take long. Then I'm going to go back and reapply some on my roots. Now the last time I did this, the last time I did the wet look, the first attempt, I gelled it down too much in the back. Since my hair is short, I'm not gonna slick the roots down too much. I'm actually not gonna even slick the roots down like talking about. So I'm just gonna just press it a little bit, and that's it. I'm not gonna concentrate it because this is my longest layer, so I want those curls to be popping in the back. Whereas like when I move to the front, that's when I'm gonna do the slick back the most. But I'm taking some pretty generous size sections. I'm not being really careful with it. And like I said, I'm reapplying water to each section because I want it to be as wet as possible. Then I'm going to apply my leave-in after I spray that water. Then after applying the leave-in, like I said, I'm going to detangle from the ends to the roots. After that, I'm applying a bunch of gel to my hands. And you know what? Instead of shingling, I'm just gonna rake it through and then go back. So I'm just gonna rake it through like this. Then I'm gonna go back to the back of that section and apply the gel to the roots. very generously. And like I said, I'm not gonna slick the roots down too much too soon, because last time I did that and it was looking real crazy. When I get to the front, I want to start working like this, diagonal forward, I think that's what you call it. Now these sections in the front are getting slicked down like all the way. And I'm trying to decide whether or not I want a middle part or a side part. But last time I did a middle part, I felt like Jamie Foxx off of The Soloist. So yeah, I'm applying the gel, shingling it, and then I'm gonna slick this like all the way behind my ear. Ooh, and I'm taking out a little tendril here because I can't help it. Yes. And then I'm slicking it down like all the way behind my ear. And then of course I'm gonna do some extra baby hairs because this look looks so good with baby hairs. So I'm gonna continue to work this way, and then I'll be right back whenever I'm like more towards the front. So I got to the front, like on the sides, and I did my little baby hairs because y'all know I have to be extra. Have my little tendril, and then like I wanted to show y'all, so like everything from here on down is gonna be slicked. So that's how I'm doing it. I'm slicking the hair down with a comb, trying not to mess these baby hairs up. Come on, let me be great, let me be great. I found like the last time I got a lot of frizz from trying to make it too slick. So I'm not even gonna like work against my layers because the way my layers are, they're really short in the middle. So I'm just gonna like, just a little bit, just a little bit, okay? Slicking it down just a little bit, not going all the way through the curls. Just slicking it down, just a little bit. Because these layers play with my mind. Just gel and a comb and a little bit of work with your fingers. Done. And done. That's it. So I'm taking more gel and then slicking these sides down. And you might need to like play with the baby hairs because they will kind of like do their own thing if you comb them. And then I'm slicking it down just a little bit. You can also do the wet look without slicking it down. Just because it's the wet look, that doesn't mean that it needs to be slicked down. I did it the other day and it was really wearable and really cute. I loved it. And then the next day all I had to do was like apply some oil to it, and then I wore it out as like a wash and go style without it being slicked back, and it was really cute, y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and redefine the curls that I find are frizzy. I'm just learning from my second attempt that that's probably the best thing. So I think this is good. So I'm gonna take some steri strips, wrap it around, and then I'll be back to show y'all how I'm gonna dry it. Alright, now that I look extra cute and all, I'm gonna go ahead and sit under a dryer for right around 30 minutes. Last time it took way longer than 30 minutes to dry. Like, in fact, I dried it for 30 minutes, well 45 minutes last time, and it was still really, really wet. So I just had to wait an extra few hours or so until it was completely dry. I'm gonna make some dinner. I'm eating tacos, if y'all wanted to know. So yeah, I'm gonna make dinner after I sit in the dryer for a little while, and then I'll be back to show y'all my results once I am 100% dry. Okay y'all, so I am back and it is 3:30 in the morning. Yeah, so I've been recording this video for almost a day now. Yeah, so it's pretty late, but I was determined to get this video out for y'all. I had to put some eye drops in my eyes because my eyes were bloodshot red. I'm so sleepy. It is not 100% dry. It's very, very, well, not very, very wet. I want to say like 50% wet in the back. It does take a very long time. Even the last time I did it, it just takes a very long time to dry completely in the back. I did remove the wraps around that I had. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a few bobby pins and I'm gonna pin them to make it stay behind my ear like this. Let's get it, let's see. And they're gold, so I'm not trying to hide the fact that I have bobby pins. Ah, that hurts with the absolute hair. Okay, like that. I don't know what, maybe that was too much hair in one bobby pin, but that hurt. Oh, and I added a very bold lip. This ear's in the way. And if y'all want to know the lip color, it is the ALMAY Love Big. So this is it. This is the wet look, y'all. How do y'all feel about it? Let me show y'all the back. I hope it looks right. I still kind of feel like it doesn't transition perfectly right here, but we'll work on it. I don't know if I'm going to be doing this look often, and I'm getting a little frizz right here. Whatever, I'm not gonna fight it. I feel like this style is really great to wear one day like this, and then another day like a low ponytail, and then the next day, like as it gets frizzier, you can actually use it as a base to do like a low sleek ponytail with some braiding hair or something like that, or a bun. You could just use it for different things. But I'm gonna show y'all how I preserve the style at night. So basically, I'm going to take this do-rag, put it on the top of my head, and then we're gonna stop at that flat part, like right on top of the ears, like this. Okay. We're gonna tie that down, and then we're gonna put a scarf, a satin scarf, at the bottom to catch that hair. So we're gonna just kind of scoop up the hair in that bonnet, and I'm gonna leave my little tendrils and baby hairs out. And there we have it. This is how you will go to sleep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and let me know down below, would you wear this style, or have you been rocking this style way before it was on YouTube being named the wet look? Let me know down below, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Also set your notifications, that way you can go ahead and get a notification every time I upload here on YouTube. And give me some video ideas, y'all. Sometimes I don't know what y'all want to see, and it would be nice to get my creative juices flowing again after so long of being kind of absent on YouTube. So I would like to make more content that y'all would like to see. So comment down below on some content ideas, and I will definitely appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video.